myself, Miss Himali. Hope you all are doing well and safe at home. Today I'm here to teach you maths pre-number concept, big and small. So now let's start with our explanation. Kids, you can see two different objects in my hand. Yes. So now I'm going to explain you the concept. Whenever we identify any object on the basis of its size, then we get two different sizes. The two different sizes are big and small. Now you can see I'm having two tapes in my hands. One tape is big in size and the other tape is small in size. Kids, for better understanding, now we are going to see some flashcards related to our concept. You know kids, elephant is so cute and my favorite animal. Elephant is big in size and rat is small in size. The spelling of big is B-I-G, big, and the spelling of small is S-M-A-L-L, small. Here we are having two jars. First jar is big in size and the second jar is small in size. Now kids, here I am having two umbrellas. First umbrella is big in size and the other umbrella is small in size. What is this? Watermelon and lemon. You can see again, watermelon is big in size. Lemon is small in size. Now we are having two scissors. What different you can see? Both are different in size. Can you see? Yes, the first scissor is big in size and the second scissor is small in size. Again, the spelling of big is B-I-G, big, and the spelling of small is S-M-A-L-L. Now, we are going to watch a small video related to our concept.
I am Sia. Would you like to know the difference between big and small? Okay then. Look at this box. Oh, there are two boxes. Are they of the same size? No, they are of different sizes. When we compare objects based on their sizes, we get big and small objects. Look at these flowers. This is a big hibiscus flower, while this is a small periwinkle flower. This is a big tree. This is a small plant. Look at these animals. The elephant is big, whereas the ant is small. This is a big building, whereas this is a small house.
For watching the video, hope you liked it and understood the pre-number concept, big and small. Now we are going to meet in our next session. Till that, keep practicing. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.